If you want to unlink your Reddit account from Facebook, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into Reddit. Visit the Reddit website or open the Reddit app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select User Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Linked Accounts section. In the User Settings menu, look for the Linked Accounts tab. This section displays all accounts that are currently linked to your Reddit account. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Find the Facebook account listed in the Linked Accounts section. Click on the Unlink button next to Facebook. A confirmation prompt may appear to confirm that you want to unlink the account. Step 5. Verify the unlinking. After unlinking, you may want to refresh the page or log out and back in to ensure that your Facebook account is no longer linked. Check the Linked Accounts section again to confirm that Facebook is no longer listed. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your Reddit account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Reddit support.